scalar product of two vectors. Let's understand what is meant by scalar product, or it is also called as dot product. Let two vectors A and B make an angle theta. Then the scalar product of vectors A and B is defined as vector A dot vector B. This dot represents scalar product, as RHS is magnitude of vector A, that is the length of the line segment AB, into magnitude of vector B, that is the length of line segment AC, into cos of the angle between the two vectors. If theta is the angle between the vectors, then we have cos theta. Now you should note that the simplified answer of this is purely a scalar, it's a number. So it is called as scalar product of two vectors. When theta is equal to 0, then vector A dot vector B is magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into cos 0. So vector A dot vector B equals magnitude of vector A is A, magnitude of vector B is B, cos 0 is 1. Because cos 0 is 1, so vector A dot vector AB becomes just AB, and this is the maximum value of the dot product. So the maximum value of the dot product is obtained when theta is equal to 0. When theta is equal to 90 degree, then vector A dot vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into cos 90, or vector A dot vector B is equal to 0, because cos 90 is 0, because cos 90 equals 0, so vector A dot vector B becomes 0. So we can also talk about the converse of this. If the dot product of two vectors is 0, then the two vectors are perpendicular to each other. So remember that vector A is perpendicular to vector B when their dot product is 0. Now in the third case, let us take the dot product of similar unit vectors. You know that unit vector is along x-axis, it is I cap, along y-axis j cap, and along z-axis you can take it as k cap. Let me take the dot product of two similar unit vectors. I dot I is magnitude of vector I, again magnitude of vector I into cos 0. Unit vector has got magnitude 1 into 1, and cos 0 is 1. Therefore, I dot I equals 1. Similarly, j dot j equals 1, and k dot k is also 1. So you should remember these values. The dot product of two similar unit vectors is 1. I dot I equals 1, j dot j equals 1, k dot k equals 1.